Okay, so we got the guitar running into the fuzz face. Fuzz face is off right now, and the fuzz face is going directly into the amp. I like this fuzz face cranked volume and fuzz all the way up. So just we'll run through the bridge, middle position of the toggle switch using bridge and neck, and then we'll go to the neck. So here's a bass for what the amp sounds like. Fuzz on. We'll move to the middle position of the pickup, so we're using bridge and neck. Move to the neck pickup.